This is Bob. Bob wants to change the way his nonprofit does business, but he isn't sure where to start. Do your workflows look anything similar to this? An invoice comes from a vendor. This gets submitted through email or hand-delivered to a mailbox. It is then looked over by a supervisor who either approves or denies it. This gets sent back to the person who submitted it through email, in person, to a higher supervisor, or to your accounting department. The accounting department then reviews the invoice and sees an error. It then gets returned to the person who submitted the invoice in the first place. This then sets the process back in motion for another day or two. The invoice is finally found and approved. Now we wait. Your vendor gets paid 2 months late, your vendor is mad, you're frustrated, and your organization feels totally dysfunctional. So there must be a better way to do this. With Xledger, now anybody at your company uploads their invoice into your accounting software. Xledger auto-populates and fills in the invoice form through its OCR functionality. Once submitted, it goes straight to approvals. After approval, it immediately cuts a check or pays your vendor. No delay, no errors, and takes less than 5 minutes. Xledger automates your financial tasks and streamlines your workflows, giving you more time to do your job. And here's the best part. We scale with you and help guide you through your growing pains. Most ERPs look like this, compared to this. And this is where Xledger shines. We have been creating composable ERPs for years. According to Gartner, the rest are just getting around to it. We create a solution tailored to your needs. We do this by being the best accounting financial solution on the planet. It's easy and works exactly the way you want. Don't just take our word for it. We have over 13,000 powerful relationships with customers just like you who know, love, and trust us. Most companies will overcharge and create a confusing, complicated process to solve your problems. We do not. Xledger's team of accountants will help your organization from implementation to support. You always get a human who understands your problems to talk with. You will discover our top-level financial workflows are extraordinary. In fact, we can integrate them with your entire tech stack since we have an open API. If you want to see how Xledger works for you and even better, how Xledger works with you, then schedule a demo today. To us, you matter.